Now, how I have made over 2,000 US dollars. As you can see over here, in the last 5 days with affiliate marketing, basically CPA affiliate marketing offers. Now, you can promote ClickBank affiliate offers, MaxWeb, or any other affiliate networks. The beauty of CPA is basically you get paid more than what the initial sale is. For example, if you make a sale in this case for 65 US dollars, 11 US dollars, you will get paid 65 US dollars, right? So this is CPA model. Now, you can see over here actions. I had 35 sales and 385 clicks, which is almost 10% conversion rate, which is really great for digital info offers online, right? If you're promoting different kind of products as an affiliate. Now, how this works, you can use Facebook ads, you can use Google pay-per-click ads, and okay, you're asking me, maybe you're asking yourself, so what was the ad spend? Okay, what is the profit? What is the revenue here? So as you can see over here, from 1,800 euros, which is basically 2,000 US dollars, there was only 370 US dollars ad spend, which is not bad, right? It's really, really good. Why? Because again, it's CPA affiliate model, meaning they pay you more than what a sale was, which is really great. Now, let me show the, let me go into details here. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram. There is my free email list, newsletter, okay, where I'm sharing what actually works in 2025, all in the description below. There is my Facebook Messenger, email, and WhatsApp number, okay, where you can reach out to me. Now, before I go into it, you can reach out to me later. You can see over here, right? The most important thing with affiliate marketing is you have to understand the platform itself. So, for example, with Google Ads versus Facebook ads, which are social media ads, okay, so you have to understand the intent is totally different. People go on Google to make a buying decision, right? They have already some kind of mindset with buyer's intent. So the reason why you're struggling, if you have tried ClickBank courses, you can maybe try things in the past, building ClickFunnels landing pages, right? Mostly the problem is that there is no buyer's intent. You have only curiosity clicks. So before you saw, I had almost 400 clicks, yet 35 sales. Why? You don't need a lot of clicks. You only need a lot of traffic and money on ads when you don't know what you're doing, who's your audience, and a deeper psychological level. Okay, my friend, write it down. You have to understand what is buyer's intent and what is curiosity clicks, because sometimes you can get attention without intention. This is zero conversions, zero sales. But once you have attention plus intention, buyer's intent, you get sales. Very easy and simple, okay? Now let me tell you this. It really does feel hard and difficult when you're doing things yourself alone, because you don't know what you don't know, right? You only can work on things that you see, while the things you don't see are holding you back. Okay? Imagine this. Okay? If you don't know how to take off the airplane, right? You can try different buttons, different things, and it will not work out. It won't take off. But once you have someone who can show you how to take off, then you sit back and you see the bigger picture, the bigger outcome, right? It's easy and simple once you know, okay, what to do, how to do it. As they say, right? It's what you don't know that kills you. So maybe you think, oh, I will try it on my own for free, and you waste even more time and more money trying out things, getting more stuck, and then you are confused and overwhelmed, right? Because you don't know what you don't know. So over here you can see, right? Nothing is hard. Something only feels hard because you don't know how to do it yet. Once you know, things are simple, right? So this is very important about social ads and Google pay-per-click ads, because once you know that, then you are able to navigate and get certain results. You have seen what Alex Hormozi has done with his books, right? $80 million in sales in 4 hours. Now, if he can do that, I'm sure you can do at least $300 or $600 per day as a ClickBank affiliate, okay, working 20 to 30 minutes per day. Now, you don't have to show your face on camera. You don't have to be an IT expert to do this, because affiliate marketing is nothing more than promoting other people's products 24/7, okay, without ever showing your face. Now, that's a very important thing, right? Because if you have no engine, you can see over here, right, in the car, it won't start. You need engine. You need to know what 5 points you need on the pre-sale page in order to get sales. There is psychology of buyers. There is deeper psychology. Even the colors on your funnels, on quiz funnels, they matter a lot. If you have male or female audience, low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, awareness levels, problem state, solution state audiences, you have to understand it's all different. It all matters. Now, you don't have to learn all this yourself and waste weeks and months. Okay, it can be all done for you and together with you if you're really, really serious and want to take it to the next level. Now, let me ask you, is your future worth more than $5 per day? Okay, because imagine, right? If you're saying, oh, I don't have money to invest in myself, really? Do the math. For example, if you're spending $5 on a Starbucks coffee just for that every single day, okay, you're almost spending $2,000 per year annually, 2,000 US dollars a year, wasting it, right? For a fancy little habit. I'm sure your future is worth more than that, right? So you can see what we are doing. All this is important. We have short-term, long-term thinking audiences. All this matters. Timelines. All this matters once you're setting up your marketing campaigns. Okay, it's not just about fancy graphic design. No, it doesn't matter. You can have ugly page and convert at 50% or 70%. You can have nice fancy graphic design and convert at 2%. So it's all about deeper psychology of the market you are in, criteria of the markets. Okay, you can see the results we are getting on ClickBank. Okay, because one person is going to buy your entire funnel. They will buy front-end product for $47 and then the upsell, and from one person you can make $300 or even $500 or more on ClickBank as an affiliate. Okay, all this, it's important. Once you have someone who can help you step by step by hand holding you, so you don't have to, you can have this stress-free project that works for you 24/7 even while you're sleeping. Okay, you don't have to waste hours and hours every single day. No, you can do besides your 9 to 5. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5 to do this if you don't want to. Okay, of course it can provide you with the freedom that you desire, that you know you deserve. Okay, but you don't have to quit your 9 to 5 in order to do this. You can do it besides. You can see almost 7,000 US dollars in 4 days with only $567 on ads. Why? Because of criteria of markets, understanding psychology of markets on a deeper level. Okay, we have, as I said before, remember, problem with most funnels is that they don't create intent. You need buyer's intent. Message to the market match. It's what gets the conversion done. Okay, you can see we get it done over the Zoom call together, one-on-one. Okay, very important. Now, you already paid the price. Okay, maybe you wasted time, hours, some money on the courses in the past, and it didn't work out yet. And it's not your fault. Okay, but once you know how to do it, once you have someone who can help you, then you never know how really close you are to breaking through. Maybe you allow some fears of starting again, of trying something new again, holding you back. Now the question is, are you going to allow that fears to hold you back from getting success, to getting results with ClickBank affiliate marketing, okay, in 2025? Because once you install this method, it will allow you to start having results. Because all you have to do in 2025 is to get someone who can help you hand by hand, one-on-one, step by step, and get you out of the box and show you the bigger picture and implement and install this system so you can have results in 2025 for yourself. Okay, now again, you can connect with me one-on-one. There are links below this video. There's my WhatsApp, my email, also my email list, my free newsletter. You can subscribe to get more helpful tips on what is actually working in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.